Hey guys, welcome back to Troy's Garage. My name's Troy. This is my garage. In today's video, we're taking the dash pad out of Kermit, the 1972 Ford F100 Sport Custom. Let's just get after this and see how long this takes us to get it out. Spoiler alert, there's more bolts than we think, so count along with us as we find more and more bolts. Let's do this. Rig's over here tearing apart the dash so that we can get that dash pad off. I'm gonna see what I can do to salvage that and possibly reuse it, but he says if I can't, no harm, no foul. He'll just run with a bare metal dash and die like a real man. All right, we got all, what did we decide there were, Riggs? Seven bolts out of the dash pad. We're ready to take it out. We're gonna see how bad this will fight us. No idea, I've never done this before. So I know it'll be stuck to it.
It's like wrapped around it.
Woo! About fell out. My feet whipped. And I was on the slide. Is there a screw? There's a bolt right there. Are you freaking kidding me? Give me that little setup thing again.
There's a bolt.
Yeah. And I'll bet you've got one right here too, if you fill up inside.
There you go.
Who knew? Did you know? You didn't tell me? That's rude, man. So that's number 8. You have number 9. There's got to be one more. They wouldn't do an odd number. Yep, right there. But I broke it. There's going to be one in that corner too. Guaranteed.
So 11?
9, 10, 11. There's 11 of them. That's a lot.
Yeah.
Well then what's going on right here too?
Huh, yeah, there's one.
There's 12. At least. We're still not done finding them, I don't think.
This is fun.
Rick's having fun. Yay! That's some good looking paint under there though.
Come on.
So 12 bolts hold this thing on, we decided. Well,
Until
so far,
we find 2 more.
we thought it was 9. Nope. Then it was 11. Now it's 12. I'm not convinced that there's not one still in the center somewhere though.
I already got that one.
You think?
Where's this?
So I got that one.
This is in the corner. My goodness.
Ow, ow, ow. That was sharp. And rusty probably. I'm gonna die. Tell you what though, if you need to get something like this off, this little tool, so he's using it right now, but this little part here is a ratchet that's only that long. And then it connects to, you know, the various size things. He's got the one that's the socket end that goes with the different socket sizes. This thing's super handy in tight places like that. So I'll leave a link down below to this. Are you sure there's not one there in the middle? Look at that, it's still holding on tight right there in the middle.
Where?
Right here. So if I flex on this, that's the only place that's not moving. So wherever there was a bolt, it's got to come down to an angle like this, it feels like.
Oh, yeah.
So the front's got to come out, and then we lift up around the lip. Oh. Okay, hang on. We got to get this center part. This bolt that's here, that's got to come out of the hole before we can pull it any further out. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, I'm just trying to get this one out of there. I gotta get this one. There might be one right here.
Is there really?
So that means we're missing another one too.
I'm going to lunch. I'll be back after lunch.
That means we're missing another. They wouldn't do 13.
Not on this side. Yeah, 13. Unlucky 13. No wonders we can't get it out.
That's a little.
So there's 13 bolts in this.
That's a little extreme. You told me 4.
Here's a quick update.
You told me.
There's more than 4.
And then you said maybe 5.
There's also more than 5. And then they're turned into 8, but there's also more than 8. So apparently there's, so far, 13. Use your left hand, let's go.
You can't find it now. Where did it go?
Well, it's got to be up.
I lost it.
It's got to be on the dash pad. Come on, Lugnut.
I'm working on it. Wait, now which way am I going?
Top would come to me. Nope, that'd be the opposite. Top would go away from me. Would be loosened.
No, it's tight. Right at the end that catches.
I believe in you. Oh.
Can't do it. Sorry.
We're gonna be here for a week. We only have today.
You told me 4 at first, so.
5 hours to take it out. Just kidding. So far, we're only maybe 10 minutes into this. That's not horrible.
What the heck? All right,
we just complain a lot.
There we go.
Watch this thing just spring out of here as soon as that's off.
Knock me in.
Worth it.
13. Oops.
There we go. Now push, whoa, 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 don't pry it. You got to get your hand up under and lift those bolts straight up out of the hole. See how my hand's up underneath? Yep. Yeah, you got to lift up and out of those. There we go. My slide's up.
Come on.
Some of this dash is not very pretty. All right, and now we're going to take the dash pad out. I said, and now we're going to take the dash pad out.
I'm working on it.
Is there one more screw over there?
There better not be.
I'll bet there is. There is. There's 14. Guaranteed. They wouldn't have stopped at 13, bro. We already said that.
You said they wouldn't have stopped at 4.
Why did they need 14? When 5 would have clearly been plenty.
Come on.
Alright, turn the camera back on for the moment. The finale. Like, finally we're done.
Let's see if I can find it again.
1 hour later.
And through the magic of editing, the 14th nut is finally
It's not. I can't.
not off. I said, through the magic of editing.
I can't even. Hold on.
You want me to do this?
No.
I'm pretty good with my left. I'm ambidextrous.
Are you?
I am. I play racquetball right and left-handed.
I'd still beat you.
I'll beat you left-handed. And I'm right-handed, just for the record.
I am not left-handed. Almost there. It's on that final turn again.
Just get mad at it and use your fingers. That's how it works. You gotta just get angry. You gotta really want it.
Alright, you can come do it.
Alright,
I'm tired of
we're
it.
switching. I wasn't sure what we were dealing with back here. That's not it. I see what you were confused about. That's like a
Wire
clip for wires. With the wrench in your hand, you can't feel where it's at. Aha!
You'll get it.
I want to reach in and grab with this.
I do too. This. And the magic of editing.
Sucker. Hear that sound?
Yeah.
That's the sound of ratchet.
Yeah. Just keep it on. Don't take it off and use your fingers.
Yep, I'm going till it stops ratcheting.
Yep.
Which is right now. It also fell off right that second too. My wrist is cramping up.
Yeah, my forearm was.
There, was that so hard?
I loosened it for you.
Okay, now through the magic of editing, and 14, is that what we count?
Watch there be 2 more somewhere.
Oh,
16.
that's when we just rip the thing out.
Oh yeah.
Through the magic of editing.
Seen a lot of things, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.